What's cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money that's not controlled by any central bank or government. Cryptocurrency is the future of money and will replace the US dollar soon. Today, there are over 1,656 different versions of the cryptocurrency, but the most widely known and used one is called Bitcoin. Bitcoin is internet gold because there can only be 21 million coins to ever exist. And the website that we're using to display this information is called CoinMarketCap, which gives you the current prices, all the cryptos that trade. Also, cryptocurrencies are like stocks, because as market cap increase, price increase. As market cap decrease, price decrease. For more information on how to buy and how to trade cryptocurrencies, check out my website at www.morefundsonline.com. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Subscribe and let me know if this video helped you.